Latest on transfer news. Amathema amaningi athenga ngabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ehamba phambili namhlanje regarding team eyawina iBetway Premiership last season okuyi-Orlando Pirates. Indaba eziphumayo ke bafethu ke Orlando Pirates ifuna istriker sase-Norway. Le striker ke bafethu sina 27 years old. Sasidlala nomdlali odlalela iMan City uErling Haaland. Lo mdlali lokuthiwa ke kuma games ayi14 asathanda kwadlala usescore 8 goals. Umdlali owashaya ngempela amagoli la. Le article le bafethu ipublishwe intatheli yale Norway yasho ukuthi ke lo mjida lo ufunwa yiOrlando Pirates yabo. Sengithe ngiyoyifunda lento lo ngabona ukuthi ke ulimi lala lizonxanga ngempela uthi ke ngiyitranslate kube ulimi lala eSouth Africa ngibone ngempela ukuthi ke ithini le article hayi iyasho ke intatheli ukuthi ke iOrlando Pirates yona iyamfuna ngempela kodwa ke kusakude ukuthi ke bavumelane ukuthi ke umjida ayijoin iOrlando Pirates. Kodwa ama-agents akhe umdlali noOrlando Pirates baya-negotiate right now and ke mwasubheke naye umdlali currently he is currently following iOrlando Pirates and some of the Orlando Pirates players are following the player yabo. Players like abo Oswin Apolis bayamfollowisha umjida wale Norway. Sedlalela ama-club amaningi kakhulu umjida une-experience ngempela. Umdlali obedlala eSouth Africa okuwukabini sekayidlalela le club ayidlalela lo mjida lo. So umjida ngempela ngithe ngibuka ama-video yakhe hayi impela uyalithanda ipali yabo uyalithanda ngempela ipali umjida i-confidence yakhe uyambona uyathanda nokushaya uqithu yabo unayo i-confidence isona strike Orlando Pirates esidingayo lesi phambili yabo. Ngingengazi ke bafethu ningangitshela nina what do you think regarding this player mhlambe ke musu wabonile ama-highlights wakhe ungangitshela wena ngokwakho. Mina ngokwami I think it is a good signing if Orlando Pirates ke ikwazile ukumsayina because mwasubheke vele ama-fans amaningi akhala ngokuthi ke phambili asinawo ama-goals amaningi umjida unayo height. Mwasubheke some of the games Orlando Pirates wadlalile last season ama-corner kicks amaningi they were lacking abajida because there were no strikers who were pouncing and scoring those balls ahamba phezulu yabo. So bezingekho i-strike eyikhona ebigxuma kakhulu isikore lawo mabhola. So umjida umnandi kakhulu ekhanda simbonile. So let's hope uzofika kwazi ke ashintshe lapha phambili i-striker ngempela zishaya inqaku yabo. Kungabi khona i-striker eyidropa deep kube khona i-track eyishayile. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke bafethu iKaizer Chiefs finally they have won iToyota Cup after some time ngempela bayisungula le cup le. Kodwa ke namhlanje bakwazi ukuthi ke bayishaye iScotland FC beyishaya ngo-1-0 kwigoli elihle silibona nje kuVilakazi. uVilakazi ke kumele nje ngempela akhuphula amasokisi umfana omncane kumele simbone kuBafana Bafana. Kuyangijabulisa ukumbona ekora namhlanje eWinnie team. Let's hope ke lento le izothatha iKaizer Chiefs ibeke kwitone enhle kakhulu ekuqaleni kwale season because i-team uma iqala kahle kubalula kakhulu ukuthi ke benze kahle nama competitions akhona kuyona iBetway Premiership. So let's hope abajida bazokwazi ukuthi ke benze kahle bawine some of the cups akhona kwiBetway Premiership. Simzwile vele ucoach esho ukuthi ke ayikho icup azoyishiya yabo. Useqalile ke wayithatha iToyota Cup engabe ngempela uzokwenza inlogo singesazi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile abafethu umdlali obedlalela iDurban City obekuyilone kwiDurban City okuba na ukufezile ecaba iDurban City isidecide ukuthi ke umjida imsayine okwangempela on a permanent fee. Mukhumbula kahle ke bafethu umjida 2 seasons ago he was loaned from Richards Bay. Umjida wadlala kahle kakhulu for iDurban City wayisiza iDurban City ukuthi ke ibe promoted ize kwiBetway Premiership. Waphinde futhi wadlala kuyona iBetway Premiership umjida wadlala kahle kakhulu last season. So uyadeserve impela umjida ukuthi ke abe umdlali weDurban City on a transfer. Durban City made a very good signing la. Let's hope umjida uzokwazi ke aqhubeke adlale kahle because last season ukudlala kahle kwakhe kwakwazi ke kumtholele ikhulapha ayodlalela Bafana ngosikhathi yodlala le. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke iMC Alger they are currently negotiating with the South African winger and the Mamelodi Sundowns winger okuThapelo Maseko. Remember ke iMamelodi Sundowns imnikezile igreen flag umjida ukuthi ke usengakwazi ukuthi ke negotiate noma yipi team ekhona kwiBetway Premiership noma yikuphi nendawo ukuze ke bakwazi ke ahambe kwiSundowns. Sundowns ke ngawuthi ke umjida akekho kuma plans wayo iMamelodi Sundowns. So iMC Alger kuthiwa ke iya negotiator naye umjida singesazi ukuthi ke ingabe iMC Alger izokwazi ke ikhiphe imali ukuthi ke imsign uThapelo Maseko because sizwile phela ukuthi ke kukhona iclub yale eCzech Republic efuna ukumsayina vele yabo. Ama club akhona eCzech abona phela ukuthi ke uMaseko wayedlala ngempela against iCzech Republic. So babona ukuthi ke cha lo mdlalo kumele bamsayina. Kodwa ke singesazi ukuthi ke ingabe uzophelelaphi uThapelo Maseko yabo. Maningi ama club angifunayo they saw what he can offer kwi-World Cup. Yabo yizona zonke ke izinto ezikulethelayo lezi uma uperforma kahle kwi-World Cup. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu abadlali abawu5 beOrlando Pirates bafethu baloniwe and ke most yabo balonwe kwiMidland Wanderers yabo okubayanda Zulu, okujabulani Makone, okuzeke May, mase kuba usonwabo Khumalo, mase kuba uNdumiso Ngiba. Labadlali aba currently badlela badlelela iMidland Wanderers. Le club le eyale KZN sibabonile ke bevezwa, sibabonile bedlala kuyona iPremier Cup. Le top abajita bazothola nje ama minutes right. Le top abajita bazokuthi ke babuye kwiOrlando Pirates. But ke ngikhala kakhulu ngoJabulani Makone. Le top umjida ngempela uzokwazi ke awathole ama minutes because uJabulani Makone bafethu is one of those players esikade qala ukumbona edlalela iDDC Orlando Pirates. Yabo usenesikhathi ngempela edlalela iDDC. Even naka last season I think he was loaned kuyona iUppington City with uSeth Green if I'm not mistaken. Abajita baze babuyiswa bazodlalela iDDC Orlando Pirates. Naku ke uSeth Green Orlando Pirates isimdayisa imisa kwiDurban City. Yabo so naye uJabulani Makone kumele ke aphamise amasokisi. Let's hope akadayiswa ngoJanuary maybe ke next season. Umjida nje le mele adlale ngempela. Yabona nje wele kwiMidlands, ayisiz Midlands ibe promoted ize kuPretoria Premiership. Kwezinye izindaba ke bafethu ucoach weOrlando Pirates uselwinile icala nale club le ayicoacha. Yabo kune club ke bafethu ebizwa ngeAS Vita. Le club ke le bafethu yayikweleta bani na? Yayikweleta uAbdeslam Wadu. Le club le yale eDR Congo. Imkweleta imali engango 11.5 million rands. Kuthiwa ke uAbdeslam Wadu icontract yakhe akayikhokhelanga isikhathi singango 9 months kwicontract yakhe. Kwakusela isikhathi singango 9 months bayi-terminate i-contract yakhe if I'm not mistaken. So ukhokhelwe imali engango 11.5 million rands. Usazodla kamnandi kakhulu ke uAbdeslam Wadu plus ke phela imali ingenile sokuthi ke bayiwinile iBetway Premiership plus ke bayodlana kwiCAF Champions League. Uma manje nje wasikhuluma. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu kuthiwa ke iStellies they are still assessing umdlali oyi-free agent okuKahleho Mkhabela, the former Sekhukhune United defender. Yabo umjida currently he's being assessed by Kevin Hunt. Umjida ubeyidlalele Orbit College but ke right now he was released uyi-free agent right now udinga team. Let's hope ke Kevin Hunt he will come and sign this. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu iclub yaseLimpopo okuyiMagesi FC kuthiwa ke they are looking to acquire umjida abambiza ngoNaim Amoji. Umjida ke uyi-forward I think bedlalela iLeroma if I'm not mistaken. You can correct me in the comments but ke umjida udlalela nje iLeromo and these guys they want to sign this player right here. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke iJazz leMamelodi Sundowns lilikhiwe. Ijezi le Sundowns the second kit ilikhiwe nje wanibona nje bafethu. It looks like abantu abadayisa emgaqweni sebeyitholile and ke bayilika nyabazika abantu abadayisa emgaqweni abacushwa. They tend to go to the factory and find the similar kits and redo leyo kit leyo nje wanibona ke ngangitshela ukuthi ke how do you feel regarding yona le kit le bafethu iMamelodi Sundowns